Hi everyone, welcome back to another video. I know it's been a while, but I wanted to share this with you guys because I personally love this product. So I got some few products from Kokoist. Now this is like a collaboration with Nail Thoughts. So I've been using her products and Kokoist for a little bit over 2 years or a year and a half, I would say. And I personally enjoy her products. It's easy and fast. It gets your client in and out of the chair, especially if they're only doing a solid color. I would definitely recommend this product. So the first thing that I got is actually a art brush. Let me get a scissors. And you guys already know I'm obsessed with nail art brush. If you didn't know, and if you're new, my name is Carla. Welcome. Oh, that was a struggle. So I got this one right here. This one, I don't know what it says right here, but it is made in Japan. This one is the extra fine and micro art. It's like really, really tiny. Actually, it's not that tiny. I have even tinier brushes in this one, but it does look thin. And that's what I like to see. So here is how this one looks. Let me see if I can try to zoom you guys in. My daughter's here. Okay, there we go. Let's see if I can bring you closer. There we go. See how thin that brush is? Can't wait to use that. Okay, so let's go ahead and put that away. Okay. So here we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I bought 5 of them. Like I said, I do enjoy this product a lot. I've been using it for a little bit over a year and a half, and I like it. The only thing that I don't like is that you do get a heat spike off of this product. So it's pretty intense. Not that intense, but it's kind of intense, especially for someone that is not used to heat spikes. So just keep that in mind. I think these ones are like $16. Let me go ahead and get my other sewing tip real quick. Hold on, you guys. So this one's for $14.85. Like I said, I did use a discount code, so I think they might have been like $16. And the brush was $20.25, so it might have been $22. So alrighty. So the reason why I really enjoy this product is because it cures under 30 seconds. And an LED light. This one is the strawberry lemonade base. Again, you prep your client and just apply whatever color they want. Top coat it, and just bye-bye. Or if, of course, if they want like a French or whatever. It's just a faster system, in my opinion, opposed to going with the prep base and then with your whatever product you use and then top coat it, and or not even just top coat it, but do designs on them. So once again, that one is strawberry. I didn't even get to see it well, but this one is such a pretty color. It's like a pinky sheer color. I am gonna do swatches towards the end. This one is peach base. I really wanted to try this one. I only have like this other peach one from a different brand, but it's the one that I'm actually wearing right now. It's a pretty color, but I think I needed just another different shade. This one is more for like yellow undertones, but this one is pretty as well. I really like this color. It kind of resembles a lot of the acrylic covers, so that's why I wanted to get that one. And then we got the sweet tea base. Oh, that's pretty too. So this one is like in between strawberry milkshake, not strawberry, strawberry lemonade base and peach base. I would say this is just right in between. Such a pretty color. Let's see. This one is a rose base. I would like to say that even though that they're faster system, it's a faster system, I do recommend to go in with like another layer of a different base, just to kind of give it that strength, because this one is a pretty soft gel. Obviously it's a soft gel because you could soak it off, so it's just softer. And if your client, you know, is kind of rough with her nails, I would definitely recommend just adding another layer, a clear base or clear resin top gel or whatever, and it would just give it that strength. This one is such a pretty color. It actually reminds me of the other one that I have from their brand as well. This one is rose based. Is it the same? Hopefully I did not just purchase the same one. I would be kind of mad. Let's see, where is it? No. Okay, so that one's rose based, the one that I just got. The other one is champagne based. They kind of look the same. It's just, so I have it right here. I actually swatched it. And this one, okay, so they're not really the same, but they do have that iridescent glitter in there. So this one's like a pinky base, so it's nice. It's nice. I like it. I was gonna get mad. So then we have chai latte base. Ah, that is such a pretty color. It's kind of like an everyday, or just kind of to build a natural length. Not build, but just kind of add that color. If you add like a clear tip and then add this to kind of mimic a natural nail, I think this is perfect right here. I'm a weirdo, you guys. Okay. So I'm going to go ahead and swatch them all for you. And then if you guys want to see like my full collection of Nail Thoughts base gels or tinted base gels, let me know in the comment section so I can show it to you guys more in details.